Pitching rubber. This easy install, portable pitcher's rubber is the perfect piece of training equipment to help any mound feel big league official. Durable, constructed from heavy-duty, all-weather rubber, this rubber is built to stand up to the wear and tear of pitching and last season after season. Ground spikes. This set comes with 2 ground spikes included to securely attach the plate to the mound, providing baseball and softball pitchers with a strong, sturdy foundation to throw from. Portable. Turn your backyard, the park or anywhere else into your own personal diamond. This pitching rubber is easy to take on the go so you can make your field anywhere you want. Dimensions. This 18 by 4 inch pitcher's rubber is slightly smaller than official size, which makes it easy to transport and attach to mounds of all sizes. Top reviews from the United States. Strike. Solid rubber mound for our daughter to practice pitching. Secures well into our front yard and is low enough we can mow over and around. The stakes go deep enough in the ground that there isn't any issue when she pushes off the mound to pitch, and it seems sturdy enough to last a long time. Great buy.